Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a SD card here that I'm trying to put in my dash cam. However, I cannot make it snap. Now, I have other devices too where I had this problem in the past where I'll put like an SD card in and you push it in and you don't hear the snap, okay? So try this workaround here, okay? So the thing is, even if I push down, even with my fingernail a little bit, it does not snap in place. However, the reason it may be is because it's not going in far enough, okay? So you can see the SD card coming out right here. Now I want you to try this. Go ahead and grab a key or grab something similar to this. And now what I want you to do is go ahead and push in all the way. And voila, it's in. I just heard the snap, okay? Now the only thing is, even if I want to take the SD card out, I have to do the same thing. I have to use a key or something else to be able to push it in further. So in order for me to take it back out, I got to use the key again and push all the way in, and then it will eject the SD card. So pretty simple workaround. Hope this guy helps you out, but no guarantee. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.